Here are 3 ways to do a kickstand and a B stance, hinge and swing. Okay, so I'm going to start with a kickstand. So starting with the kickstand position, if I step my left leg back, I'm going to keep my body weight forward on this right leg. That hip is going back, okay, but I can really just use this back foot as a kickstand. This is a kickstand position. The B stance takes this exact same position, except for the back leg is now in front. So I still could lift this front leg up. My hips are going back. So you see how the position of this leg doesn't change. This is a B stance. This is a kickstand. Okay, we're going to use both of those, but we're going to start with the kickstand and we're going to add in a swing. So if I have the weight in the same leg that's forward, okay, the opposite hip goes back. I'm going to allow my weight to start to swing. I'm going to show you from the front. Okay, keeping as little weight as possible on this back leg. Allow that weight to start to swing, and you're going to notice it's going to start to take my hips with me. So from the side, you're going to see the knee and the ankle stay the same, but as I start to swing the weight, the hips go with the weight. So when the weight goes forward, the hips come forward, and when the weight goes back, I'm slamming a car door with my butt. So that's option 1, same side, kickstand with a swing. Now we're going to add in the kickstand swing, but we're going to slowly learn how to alternate from side to side. So if I'm starting on this side, okay, get that swing going. Okay, you can start to add a step in. I'm stepping into the middle. Okay, I'm sending that hip back, and then I can reach, step the opposite foot back. So do a couple on that side. Reach, switch, switch, switch. I'm going to show you from the side. You're going to notice that the weight stays forward in the front leg, okay? So I'm taking a small step back, but at any point I could lift this leg up. So using the momentum, hips go with the weight. Third option, we're going to add in a walk. The first walk is simple. It's what we just did. It might have been something you naturally wanted to do. So make sure that you don't hit your legs. I'm going to get into that kickstand. When I switch, I'm going to step forward. So I don't need to step this foot forward. I'm going to send my weight into this hip. I'm going to go slow-mo. So you're going to use momentum. So switch, switch. So lift up that heel, send that hip back. So I'm practicing getting my weight forward into the front leg. The butt is slamming back. I'll show you from the side. So kickstand position. Now we're going to add in going backwards. So I might have prescribed you just going forward, just going backwards, but likely I'm having you go forward and backwards. So backwards, so instead of the swing looking like this, okay, the swing goes into the back leg. So I could lift this leg up. This is that B stance. Swing, step, swing, step. So I'm trying to actually get the weight into the back leg. I could lift the leg. I'm not going to. It's just demonstrating how much weight I've got back here. Okay, let me start over with that B stance. Oops, switched it up, see? Okay, B stance, B stance, B stance, B stance, B stance. Okay, and then switch to the kickstand on the way forward. And back. The beauty of this is it's teaching me how to transfer weight from one foot to the other and into the opposite hip.